Good morning, students. In the last session, we have already studied about fundamental quantities. Now, today we are going to study about the importance of accurate measurement. Measurement is required for a variety of things in our daily life. For example, if you want to get a dress stitched, then you need to know the length of the cloth that would be required to make it. Similarly, when you have fever, you measure the temperature of your body by a thermometer. To make a cake, the ingredients have to be used in the right proportion. So, all these measurements must be made accurately using the standard units. So, what is accuracy or accurate measurement? Accuracy refers to the closeness of a measured value to a standard or known value. The need for accurate measurement. We need not be very accurate every time we take a measurement. The degree of accuracy in measurements vary according to the situations. For example, when someone asks about the time of the day, we do not have to be specific up to the seconds of time because there is no need to be that accurate in the given situation. On the other hand, for laboratory purpose or for scientific experiments, we have to measure the time even up to milliseconds accurately. Next, while measuring mass of precious substances such as gold, silver, we need to be accurate in our measurement. The next example is in competitions and events, a difference of second can make you lose or win the game. Thus, accurate time measurement in such cases is very important. The devices used for accurate measurement are: for time measurement, stopwatch can be an accurate device. For mass measurement, electronic balance can be an accurate device. For length measurement, ruler or measuring tape can be an accurate device. And last, for temperature measurement, thermometers can be an accurate device. So students, I hope you have understood the concept of accurate measurement and the devices used for accurate measurement. Recap. What is accuracy? Accuracy refers to the closeness of a measured value to a standard or known value. Again, I am repeating. Accuracy refers to the closeness of a measured value to a standard or known value. Second point, the devices used for accurate measurement are: first, for time measurement, stopwatch can be an accurate device. For mass measurement, electronic balance can be an accurate device. For length measurement, ruler or measuring tape can be the accurate devices. And last, for temperature measurement, thermometers can be an accurate device. Homework. Students, you have to write the definition of accuracy 5 times in your science copy. Thank you.